In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create my starter pack doll box photo from ChatGPT. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create your own starter pack doll box image using ChatGPT. This fun AI trend transforms a regular photo into a realistic toy-style package complete with themed accessories and attractive product-style packaging. It's a creative way to produce a unique image for social media, your profile, or simply to experiment with AI-generated artwork. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser or desktop app and wait for the main interface to load. Before generating your image, choose a clear, high-quality photo of yourself. Images with good lighting and a simple background usually produce more detailed and visually appealing results because the AI can recognize facial features and clothing more accurately. Once you're on the main chat screen, locate the plus button beside the message box. This option allows you to upload an image that ChatGPT can use as the reference for your generated artwork. Click the plus button and select your photo from your device. After the image finishes uploading, you're ready to describe the design you'd like ChatGPT to create. In the message box, enter a prompt requesting a starter pack doll box version of yourself. Specify that you'd like a realistic toy-style package with clean, modern packaging and accessories such as a laptop, a coffee cup, and headphones. Including these details gives ChatGPT clear instructions and helps produce an image that closely matches the popular starter pack trend. After you've finished writing the prompt, submit your request and allow ChatGPT a few moments to generate the image. Depending on the complexity of the request, the generation process may take a short time. Once the image appears, take a close look at the overall design, the packaging details, and how the accessories have been incorporated into the final result. If you'd like to customize the image further, simply refine your prompt and generate another version. You can experiment with different accessories, packaging colors, clothing styles, themes, or overall aesthetics until you achieve the look you're aiming for. Small changes to your prompt can often make a noticeable difference in the final image, so don't hesitate to try different combinations. By following this simple process, you can quickly create a personalized starter pack doll box image that reflects your style and personality. It's an enjoyable way to explore ChatGPT's image generation capabilities while creating eye-catching content that's perfect for sharing or keeping as a fun digital keepsake. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,